Today we have yet another puzzle where we have to find area of the orange rectangle here. In order to find the area of the orange rectangle, we first have to find its height and width because area of rectangle is height times width. So let's call the width here as x and the height here as y. So now we have to find x times y to get the area of rectangle. Now how do we get the values of x and y? One interesting thing to look here is that in both the red and green rectangles, we have been given the area and the value of one side, either the height or the width. So how do we get the values of x and y? To get the value of x, if we can get the value of total width and then subtract the 8 centimeter and 12 centimeter from it, then we can get the value of x. Similarly, if we can get the height of this green rectangle, then we can subtract 4 centimeter from it and we'll get the height of the orange rectangle, that is y. So let's first start by getting the width of the whole red rectangle. For a rectangle, we know that area is height times width. So for the red rectangle, we have the area as 144 square centimeter and we have been given the height as 6 centimeter. And now we just need to find width. So we can calculate width by dividing this 144 square centimeter by 6 centimeter, which is 24 centimeters. So we got the value of total width to be 24 centimeters. So now in order to calculate x, we can do subtract 12 and 8 centimeter from the total. So we can write that x is equal to 24 minus 12 minus 8, which is 4 centimeter. Now in order to get the value of y, we need to calculate the height of the green rectangle. So the area for the green rectangle will be again height times width. Area given is 80 square centimeter. Height we have to calculate and width is 8 centimeter. So similarly, height will be 80 divided by 8 as 10 centimeter. So we know that this height is 10 centimeter. Since this total height is 10 centimeter and we have been given this height to be 4 centimeter, so we can calculate y to be 10 minus 4, that is 6 centimeter. So now to answer our question, we can calculate the area of the orange rectangle to be x into y, that is 6 centimeter times 4 centimeter, that is 24 square centimeter. That's our final answer. Hope you liked it.